Hey y'all, we're up here on the Brushy-Bottom today and we've got some work to do. It's not a beautiful day. It's not bad for the first day of February. It's a little bit of a breeze. It's completely overcast and about 50 degrees. And we got to walk up the hill and go do some work. So we're here on the Brushy-Bottom. And we haven't done a whole lot of work up here this year because we've been distracted with a lot of other work that we had to do. So we're finally going to get to come up here and do a little bit of work that's been needing to be done for a while. So what we've got is a couple of trees that have fallen down, and they're right in the path of everything. So we're going to do some work with a chainsaw, and we're going to get this all cleaned up today. Well, we're going to get it chopped up. I'm not quite sure what we're going to do with it, but we're going to get it cut anyway. At least that's the plan. So we'll see how it goes. And so we're going to do some chainsaw work. And this is where we're going to get started. And the goal for today is to chop this up enough so that I can move it out of the way. Eventually probably going to burn it. I don't know if we'll do that this year or not. This hackberry tree is pretty green. I don't know how well it's going to burn. The other one underneath there, this tree up here, is a locust tree. It burns real good when you get it going, but it's not easy to get going. So I'm not sure if we'll burn this year. Anyway, that's not the goal today. Today the goal is just chop it up so that we can get it out of the way. That's the project for today. And that's just another beautiful day at Stonywood. And we're going to get busy and get to work. Hey y'all, well, we're done for the day. This is what we got accomplished. As you can see, we're not doing this on Neo because, well, it's 10 minutes after sunset. We are into civil twilight right now, and Neo Neo can't handle it. So Neo's gonna sit this one out, but that's the pile that we put together from this area right here. That was all a couple of trees tangled up, and so we didn't get every little bit picked up. We're still missing a little bit. So there's several piled up right here. That all came from the locust that fell, that knocked down the hackberry tree. And then over here is some more. That's a few pieces from hackberry and some more locust, plus some old locust that had been laying there for a long time that's hollow on the inside. So anyway, here's the Brushy-Bottom. I love this place. It's so hard to leave. And there's our new brush pile. So we can get through here on the tractor in the spring. I hope to get up here and finish moving the rest of those pieces of wood down. It's not too hard to do. I actually rolled the bigger pieces. I rolled them down the hill, and they did pretty good with that. So it's not really that hard to do. Anyway, so there it is. There's our pile of wood, and it's a lot more compact than what it used to be. And one more look at the beautiful Brushy-Bottom. It's hard to leave, but I gotta go home. I gotta go take care of my dogs. So anyway, we will talk to y'all later, and thank you very much for watching.